Hello friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen Healthy and Tasty. Today we are going to make a mixed fruit milkshake. If you like my videos then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Here I have took 2 cups of pomegranate seeds. We have to grind them to make its juice and sieve them in a bowl. After pomegranate we have to take 3 middle size apples. We have to cut them all and make such small pieces cause we have to grind them. While grinding, add a little bit milk to it and add into a same container. Now I have took 4 tablespoon sugar. I will add milk while grinding and pour it into a pomegranate and apple juice container. Here I have used fresh fruits, but if you want the thicker shake then use frozen fruits instead of fresh fruits. It will look like this after adding these 3 ingredients. Then we have to add soaked basil seeds as per our requirement and also a gond katira to it. It will look like this and you will find it in ice cream shop, but if you don't know about it then it's totally optional. So now we have added all these ingredients and we have to now mix it well. Here I am skipping ice cubes due to cloudy weather, but we can add it in summer days. And finally we have to add mango crush to our mixture and mix them well. And we have to garnish it with some dry fruits. After adding mango crush, our shake colors get totally changed after setting it for 3 minutes. Now our lovely fruit shake is ready. Such type of shakes are very healthy for kids, especially our Vihan loved it. So guys, if you like my video then please share and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates.